Hey everybody, today we are going to be doing a craft haul from all the crafty type items I've bought over the past couple months. I got a couple things from Walmart, a few things from Dollar Tree, and a bunch of stuff from JoAnn's since I work there. But other than that, let's get right into the video. So I'm going to start with Walmart because I got so few things. So I got this black tie-dye and it was less than $2, so we will see how well it works. So I'll probably do a review with this. And then we have this black puffy paint. You'll see this in a future craft as well. It was only $1.12, which was good because I was looking for this at Dollar Tree originally, and it was cheaper at Walmart than it would have been at Dollar Tree. Speaking of Dollar Tree, let's just get right into what I got from there. Okay, so I got a few different projects worth of stuff. First thing here is this sanding block and sandpaper. And then for the next project, I got this frame. I got some clear school glue and some assorted food dyes. This stuff goes with the black puffy paint. Tell me in the comments down below what craft you think I'm gonna do with that. And then I got the rest of these 5 things to go with a project that you'll see in the future as well. I got 2 of these packs of pegboards, a pack of super long pegboard hooks, some shorter ones, and another one of shorter ones. I don't know why I got these super long ones. These would probably just tip the pegboard over. Now on to JoAnn's. I have 4 or 5 bags of it, so yeah, and each bag is from a different trip. Some bags even have 2 trips worth of stuff in them. Once again, I bought some more mushroom cotton canvas. And then I got this little chunk of fabric. The ghosts glow in the dark, I think. I don't remember. I know one of our ghost fabrics glows at least though. And then we got this super cute little ceramic berry holder. Am I ever gonna actually use this for what it's meant for? Probably not. I'm not gonna unfold these just because I don't want to refold them, but this one is definitely my favorite. I got half a yard of this so that I can make a pillow out of it. I'm absolutely obsessed with this one. I think I may have also gotten half a yard of this. I'm definitely gonna need a lot more of each fabric for my project because I want it to be able to cover like a window, but yeah. So I got this one, and then I got this tarot card one. We had flannel in this for the longest time, and I don't really have anything to do with flannel, but then luckily we eventually got this in, so that's super nice. And then I got the orange and black ghosts. These ones, this one definitely glows in the dark. I don't know if these ones do. But that is it for that trip. So this next stuff is this yarn. It is real wool, I believe. I mean, it says 100% wool. So this is real wool and everything. These little tiny skeins sell for $16 or $17 and literally no one ever bought them. So now they're down to $3.99. So I bought 2 of them, and hopefully my mom is gonna make me a hat out of it because she crochets. And then we have the Crystal Witch book. If you guys have seen any of my recent haul videos, I buy literally way too many witchy books from my job, mainly just because they're expensive. Like, I think it's fine to have a lot of books, but they're a bit overpriced, so maybe I should stop. These were on clearance, just some little spiky stud things. And then I got these bigger glass bottles and the smaller glass bottles. I don't know what I'm gonna use them for yet. And then my favorite thing from this bag is these Unakite? I don't know. Roast me in the comments, please. Crystal girls, roast me in the comments. But yeah, these beads, absolutely stunning. I mainly wanted them because they're cool and everything, but they're also 8mm or 10mm. Yeah, I think they're 10. So they will fit perfectly in these little dragon hand bead caps I have. I have a bunch of them in rose quartz, but now I'll be able to have some in a different crystal, so that is gonna be super fun. But that is gonna be it for this video. Tell me in the comments down below which product I got was your favorite, and make sure to subscribe so that you can see all of these things being used in the future. But that'll be it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.